In the steeping trend of digestive health, consumers are thriving towards probiotics without even having a full closure about probiotics. Is it really necessary to consume probiotics? Is it safe, and should everyone consume probiotics? Hi, this is Vaishnavi. I'm a food technologist, and in this video I'm gonna debunk a myth that probiotics are good for everyone. Before diving into the facts, let us first understand the basics of probiotics and gut system. So we all know that bacteria are present in our intestinal tract. Now you might think that is it a bad thing? Because the first thing that comes to our mind when we think about bacteria is germs and illness. But don't get skeptical. Our body contains trillions of microbes, and so as our gut system, which is generally referred as microbiome. Our gut system consists of both good bacteria and bad bacteria. Good bacteria helps the gut system to run smoothly. It helps in digestion, extraction of nutrients, boosting our immune system, and even keeping the intestinal walls healthy. Probiotics are nothing but good bacteria which can be consumed in the form of pills, capsules, or even dietary supplements such as yogurt. Generally, probiotics are consumed due to unhealthy levels of bacteria which imbalances the gut system. This might be due to a number of reasons, one of which might be stress, overconsumption of alcohol, or antibiotics. Probiotics are also prescribed by doctors for certain diseases, but taking probiotics without consulting a doctor can come up with some risk. Because there are a number of probiotics on the market with different types of bacterial strains. Some of them has been studied and some haven't. Also, probiotics are categorized as dietary supplements and not as drugs. So the FDA doesn't regulate probiotics. So you can't really tell what you are consuming, and it might not even deliver what you have been promised. And it might do more harm than good. Indeed, there are probiotics on the market which have been studied and are safe for consumption. But if you have a weak immune system or diseases such as cancer, it might worsen your case. So consuming probiotics without consulting a doctor is a big no-no. Instead, you can keep your gut system healthy by consuming fiber-rich foods, which are termed as prebiotics, as they are food for good bacteria. You can even replenish a gut microbiota by consuming probiotics naturally from foods such as curd, pickles, or fermented foods in general. If you think this video was useful and informative, do give a thumbs up and subscribe Foodiari for more such content.